Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Now we're going to do part 4. So we're going to get the bikes in the van, and me and Paul, well, not tonight, tomorrow morning, we're going to be setting off for St Tropez. Getting ready, yeah?
I'm ready now.
Oh, are you? Let's go. You want to go now, not tomorrow, don't you?
Yeah.
This is what we're taking down there, the Desert X and the 996.
I'm always worried about this being a bit too tall for me.
Yeah, can you get on one of them?
I can do it that way,
Oh, if you stand on it.
the trail way, yeah.
Stand it up, what are your feet like, Dan, alright?
I don't. It's on a funny slope at the moment.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, shall I take some tools? Basic tools. Hammer.
Right?
Ready?
Yeah, let's go. Nearly 12 hours, we'll be leaving.
I think we might be leaving in less than 12 hours.
But everyone's glued themselves to the bridge. Do you think we're going to get across the Thames, let alone the Channel?
That'll be the first challenge, won't it?
Yeah, we've got some challenges ahead. We've got fuel strikes, potential bad weather. I hope no one's glued themselves to the train. I'll pick you up at 4:30 in the morning, shall I? But I don't want to get there and then they go, you've got to wait for 2 hours for your tunnel thing. Unless we just sleep then for 2 hours. We ain't going to be able to sleep though, are you?
We won't be sleeping.
No?
Not with all that speed we're going to take.
And now, what it's all about.
I'll tie these together.
Alright. And that's it. Right, so that's both the bikes in the van, ready to go. We've got our stuff in the back, just got to go to Morrison's. Then I've got to get up early in the morning and pick Paul up, and yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah. And that's us. Van's all signed, written nice. These boys done that. Right, so now it's 4:35 in the morning. I'm on my way to get Paul. Is that in?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's get going. I've had 2 hours, Kip. 5:10 and we've already hit traffic on the M25 because of the bridge. Oh no, I was going to say the bridge jumpers. If only they were. The bridge protesters who have glued themselves to the bridge.
I'm going to glue myself to a protester.
Yeah. So that's took us a little while, isn't it? Half hour to get to the tunnel. I need a coffee. Do you need a coffee? Do you want a fag? I'm going to have a fag as well. Well, when in France, I think babies smoke in France, and that they actively make old people start smoking. 6:20. That's perfect. That's exactly an hour before. We could have easily got that protester down. We could have got Andy with his air gun. Going past these cones, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah. Not one person working. Right, take our passports. We can lose everything else but these. Let's go and get a coffee. You've already gone and done a left turn somewhere where it said no left turn. Well, it's empty here, isn't it? Everyone's got a dog. Should have bought a dog. Starbucks or what? Do you want a bacon roll or something already? Do you think it's too early for Bacardi or a bottle of wine? Well, we ain't had the coffee. I've still got the coffee. The sun is coming up on the floor there. Look, head that way. France.
France?
You got any pets? They've got to be checked in before we go.
I brought a hamster with me. But I've concealed it.
You concealed it. Cheers, thanks.
Bye.
Sat-nav's gone funny. Yeah, the X-rays fucked it up, innit?
Oh no, we've x-rayed the sat-nav.
The sat-nav's fucked before we've left for England.
Look at that. Sunrise.
The Euro Tunnel. Au revoir Angleterre and bonjour Francais.
This is, we drive all the way there through this, don't we?
Yeah. Well, you know there's a tunnel, another tunnel in the middle and then a tunnel. Just in case one tunnel collapses, you can run into the other one.
Where is the other tunnel?
Do you know, I don't know. Do you think it's weird though that we're in a van, on a train, in a tunnel under the sea? Oh, is that your cat? Do you leave it on for the cat?
9 hours.
What, 9 hours a day you leave that on for the cat? What if it claws the fucking screen?
That is a possibility.
Because they're not glass screens no more, are they?
Is it like a plastic?
Yeah, now you've just realised that you've left a cat.
No, tell it you got that too.
We are now in France.
Good wave. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Ta-da.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
10 hours,
Wow.
28 minutes. You happy with that?
I'm over the moon. We're sitting here for 10 hours, 28 minutes. Paris.
Oh, No, we have got to stay for reach.
Which one? You're going on every lane. Should have bought sunglasses.
Yeah, do you know what? I fucking didn't pick up my sunglasses.
No, I didn't expect to.
Oh, mate, that was a mistake. Right. I'll tell you what you got to look out for in France, apart from lorries right next to you. They come home from work at lunchtime, drink a bottle of
A bit
wine.
like Nick. Nick does that.
Nick, yeah.
Nick's a drinker.
But he drinks Greek wine. There, what? You phoned Cliff and he was in bed at 6:30.
Oh yeah, you can't put that on camera.
Yeah, why?
Kill me.
Yeah, he was in bed at 6:30.
Better say hello to Donna, haven't we?
Yeah. She could have been sitting there now.
On my lap.
With them leggings on.
Yeah.
Right, so we are under 500 miles to go. It is now, and 7 hours to go.
The van here for 5 minutes and look what happened. And I've still got a bit of bacon roll
Have you? How much?
from this morning.
What, that much? No map.
There's a lot of bandages.
Well, I did have a map. It's been around the world, that thing.
Well, like at least it stands for it.
Yeah. We're under 500 miles anyway, out of the 850. So let's crack on.
Let's crack on.
Look at that. Range in the van, 489 miles. We've got 489 miles to do.
Really?
I don't care how you get there, just get there if you can.
We're going to use every sentence as a song, aren't we?
This is almost a traffic jam, what we've seen.
It's almost at a standstill.
Champagne. I'm not really a great champagne lover.
No?
I don't like it when you're at somewhere and they go here and give you a glass of champagne and then you've got to drink it, you know.
But what you're saying is you don't like celebrating.
No, I don't mind celebrating, just celebrate with vodka.
I think everybody should be toasting with vodka.
Yeah. Why don't you get one of Dion's things out? What about French Fancy?
No.
No, not the doll, or the condoms. Why don't you get French Fancy out?
Blue sky.
Blue sky, the temperature now is 23 degrees. Right, so now we're about 280 miles away from Tropez. It's 26 degrees now, isn't it?
Warm. Yeah, it's warm straight away.
So we're sort of like, we're 2/3 of the way down. We're going to stop at an auto grill. Look at that. I ain't seen one of these for a while. Wow. Well, this is French. Right, so let's look, see what they've got. Croque monsieurs, baguettes, pizzas. The burgers ain't open. So, no burgers. Bonjour. Hello, they're looking for someone here. He's green. He can't be hard to find. So we've got something to eat. What are we having?
We're having a bit of pizza.
Well, that's yours.
Yeah.
Mine, what I like about their pizza is, I've had a cheese and ham, but the ham is just a piece of ham on it.
Died on it.
Do you want a bit of that?
Away.
It looks like it's died on it.
I ain't gonna eat all of that ham.
Yeah, I'll chuck your ham on there. Oh, tastes like French pizza though, doesn't it? Look at that little egg car on there, look. Right, so what's the time now? 4:30. We've got 289 miles to do. It says it's 31 degrees sitting here in the van in the sun.
Feels it.
So let's get going. Crack this last bit out.
Yeah.
Yamaha, Honda and Kawasaki at Lyon. This is about the busiest we've seen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Suzuki, Dainese.
They're all here.
Where's Ducati? Is there Ducati Lyon? If we put our moustaches on, we could get away with being French.
They might think we're those two blokes in there.
Oh, in the picture. This is a big place, look at that. Then mate, come on. Up you go as we go in the Dragon Tunnel. It's a funny tunnel, it's got a flat roof.
Yeah, it's a great tunnel.
Going under another tunnel, are we? Look at them big old houses, look.
Yeah, look at them, they're old.
What way?
Either way, he said.
Oh shit. I've got to go right at the end of this.
Big city.
I didn't know Lyon was so big.
No, did I?
Because you didn't bring a map with you.
With me just to see about Lyon. I'm going to read up about Lyon. Marseille, straight on, yeah? Oh no, to the kind of left, but these 3 lanes, yeah?
I wish you'd done some research while you was going on this trip.
Keep going.
Hey,
Yeah.
you could have. Oh, that's a museum.
I tell you could get really lost in Leon.
We probably will. We sit in this stuff every day, but now it all just seems really busy, doesn't it? It was only a little hold up.
Yeah.
Just a midget with a gun.
Well, Leon was kind to us.
Yeah.
Really.
Considering it was rush hour.
Rush hour, now we're out in the hills again.
Yeah, look at that. We're on our way. It's massive, that river. Do you know what river that is?
I don't know.
How long did it say Marseille was?
292.
Oh, that's kilometres. It's about 180 miles.
Right, let's stick it on 180 miles an hour. We're still going.
Yeah, we're still doing it.
Miles, we're still going.
Yeah, we can stop. Do you want to stop and stretch your legs or anything?
No, I've got no legs left now.
Oh, ain't ya?
No.
Put them up on the front.
I might be able to take them off and put them up.
Right, so we're only about 130 miles away. Oh, there's that castle. Look, all lit up that side.
Yeah, that woman was at the last thing.
Oh, was she? They must need that blood in their arse as well at the same time. You finally got a map, but we don't know where we are. That's quite good, isn't it? Right, so now it is getting dark. We're nearly there. There's a castle up there all lit up. Don't know where we are. Last bit of journey. Got any blood back in your legs? No. No, ain't got none left. I know Alan said like, oh, you're all right to drive. I don't think he knows that I need a full massage when I get there. Right, let's do this final bit then. Back in the van. Oh, shall I open it? Right, let's do this. Now it's getting dark. Next thing will probably be the morning. Right, it is pitch black and we are nearly here, but Alan came to meet us on his multistrada, so he's in front of us. Time now, so I've gone 9 o'clock, 9:30, we're nearly there. We're following the multistrada. So that's it, we're a mile away, see? Now you've forgotten the journey, ain't ya?
Yeah.
Apart from I've got to fold you out of the van.
I can never use my right leg again.
15 hours, we're here. So it's a bit hard to get in. Am I getting this van in anywhere here? Oh, hello. We're at the gates. We're here. Sweet. Hasta la vista. Well, so that was our short journey down to the south of France. Obviously 850 miles today was quite a lot. Paul's just unfolded his legs and rolled himself out the van. The weather does look good for tomorrow, so we'll be out on the bikes tomorrow. But as always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, I'll go down to Morrison's. Fancy some boiled eggs for the journey?
No.
Why, what's the matter with that?
Well, if you
like boiled eggs or not?
I do.
Yeah, but that's not what you want for dinner.
I'm not going to Kew Gardens for the day.
Fancy a sandwich?
Yeah.
What?
Something plain.
What do you mean, plain? Like what?
Cheese and tomato.
No, what I'll do is I'll go into Co-op on the way home and I'll see if they've got anything reduced. And you'll have to have whatever they have reduced. What should I get for the journey then?
Steak.
What drinks do you like?
I've got some water.
Yeah, but what about drinking? That's just for cleaning the windscreen. I'll get some Lucozade, I'll pack a
Is the
Lucozade.
van open?
Yeah.
I've got some stuff in the car. I've got these.
What's them for?
They're called bananas.
Oh, you don't want all of that stuff in there?
No.
Oh my god, don't tell me I've got to eat a banana on the journey. I must have ate a banana in my life at some point.
Well, you've got a choice there.
A 5 front.
Frutella, airwaves.
Will them bananas be alright for the night?
Right, so we've got a monkey in the back or something.
Yeah. Make sure what?
Make sure you don't get the airwaves mixed up with the
condoms.
You'll be going, these are so chewy, these frutellas.